I'm like, this bitch is about to hit one of these poles.
That's what I said when I was in school.
Don't try to cover your face up now, girl.
I saw it already though. You been okay?
Bitch.
Oh, come on. That shit wasn't even funny.
Because y'all was new. What was about to happen? We told y'all.
Remember
Did nobody tell us?
That's funny, no. I'm playing. No.
I was watching this on my friend iPhone when we was going on track, and this is scary. This is scary.
What is it?
Oh,
Watch it,
shit.
gotta pay
I think if it's longer, it'll scare me. Oh.
Let's watch it. Let's watch. Look. Look at the chair. Just look at the chair.
Oh, this that shit with the ghost.
Y'all can't tell a movie, yo. Ooh, shit. Ooh. Why shit all of the scary mazes, though?
That did scare me. I prepared myself for that. So it didn't scare me as much. If I would have been watching that shit